Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be part 6.3 because I figured out what was wrong with my collisions. Rock and roll mechanics. I guess we can keep that. Anyway, let's go. Let me show you guys that right now it is working and the eggs are getting destroyed on collision when they enter. The dumb part was the fact that all the tutorials that I saw online were for all the tutorials. The code and the tutorials that I saw online were designed for 3D objects, and I'm obviously in 2D, but I never expected there to be a big difference between using 2D and 3D objects, not objects, triggers, and there is. So as you can see right now, it is working. Is it a bit laggy? No, it's not laggy. It's working properly. Quite well actually. I may want to see how I can actually make that rotation be be a bit less. Can I actually modify this? Can I give it a angular drag of 15? That would be 3 times as much. Let's see if this makes a difference for how fast the eggs roll. That would be really interesting. They still roll pretty fast. They just roll slower down. Yep, much slower. Okay, let's just go for the 1.5. Anyway, that was it. Let me show you the code. So the idea was that I needed to use the onCollisionEnter 2D, which is designed for 2D objects only. Yeah, I didn't know that. Anyway, it is working right now. Let me go ahead and get that debug out. And the next step would be, so I'm just going to make a short 5-minute video here to make the egg catcher have well, not have, but use the ramp helpers in order to settle collisions. So I'm going to go ahead and take all of these and put them inside the egg catcher. There we go. And they will yeah, let's go ahead and move them around. Can I move you? Ah, there we go. So let's say I should actually make these a bit bigger, right? Let's make these 60 by 60. Yeah, let's go. I hate it. Let's go ahead and make these 60 by 60. 0 and 100. And this one is going to be minus 100 by 0 with 60 by 60. Same size as over here, 60 by 60. We just have to see which X and Y positions are correct. I'm guessing this should be okay. So minus 85 and minus 190. That looks okay. And then for the last one, 85 and minus 190 and 60 by 60. Okay, and we will add, what will we add? A box collider, a 2D box collider to them, to each of them. And the box colliders should be 60 by 60, right? Actually, you know what? Let's make it a sphere collider. Yeah, let's make it a sphere. Or should I just make this like a So I need a collider. I'm not sure exactly what type of a collider I need. Not a polygon, that would be a bit too complicated. You know, let's just stick with it. Let's go for 60 on this axis, and can I edge radius? Oh, I can actually do that. Oh, that's just too much. That is just way too much. Let's go for 30 radius. And 30, still too much. Go for 20 by 5. Twenty by 5 by 20. Is that gonna work? I'm actually not sure that will. But we'll see. Whatever. Let's go ahead and add the other ones. So it's going to be 20 by 1 1. You know what? I'll just leave it at 20 by 1 1 because it looks fair enough and it should collide. Or maybe, yeah, let's go for, no, that's too much. Let's go for 25. 25. 25. Let's add them over here as well. I'm hoping that the radius works because I saw somebody use them and use it, and I think that it worked. The edge radius, okay. And let's go ahead and add a new script. Let's make a new script called catcher script. No, that's bad. I already had the catcher script. Catch help script. And these ramps are all going to use one. So let's go ahead and add scripts catch help script. Add scripts catch help script. Scripts catch help script. And add scripts. Okay. Now these ones, the catch help scripts, are going to have the exact same code as here. I don't think that we need the void start and update thingies, but maybe I think I do need the update one, but I don't think that I'll need the start one. So let's just go ahead and copy this thing into the catch help script. Yeah, no start function. Thank you very much. Cancel. Right, so if this is an egg, yeah, sure, let's destroy them at first. We'll see if this works. And afterwards we'll change it to the proper code. Yep. Okay. So we won't destroy them. We'll have to signal the main script. We'll have to signal the game script that, you know, I caught the tater. The egg public ramp number. It's 0, but it won't be. What am I doing? Okay, it's an integer. Let's go ahead and set all of these correctly. So this is also public. Although I could make GameScript a singleton, in which case it should always be taken into consideration. Okay. Yep. And you're going to be ramp number 4. Then you're going to be ramp number 3. And you're going to be ramp number 1. And ramp number 2. There we go. And then in the game script, I'll have a function GameScript dot egg caught and ramp number. And then over here in GameScript, I'll have a public so for sure we're not going to use this code anymore, which I previously had in here. Okay, and we'll have a public void egg caught with the integer ramp number. It's still doing the enter thingy. I thought that I had this. And we'll say debug.log ramp number. Ramp number, damn it. So let's just see if that works. Okay. Looks like people are calling me. It looks like the cat has. Yep, there we go. Oh crap. Wait. Damn cat, not letting me work in peace. Okay, so we'll have to get into this now. Obviously when an egg is caught, it actually will get destroyed. Okay, and this is up to here. Call destroy call.gameObject. And what I'll do is I will actually disable some of these, and we'll get next time into it. I'll explain exactly what I mean. So these game objects are going to be disabled. Now the only problem that I foresee is that I have to make these I have to make them smaller so that the upper eggs that just jump off don't actually accidentally hit them and get picked off when the player is facing another direction. But we'll get into that on the next episode, which should be in a couple of days or maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But anyway, I'm actually very thankful that I got it done and that it's working. Yeah, thank you to everybody for watching and listening. Leave a like if you somehow liked this this part 6 that I've done, which was incredibly, I'm sure, annoying for you Unity experts to watch, or at least advanced Unity users to watch. I'm still a noob at this, and I'm still learning. And obviously subscribe if you'd like to see more, and leave a dislike if you didn't like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.